to use Open AI's Chat GPT to write the perfect cold email. If you are in sales, marketing, fundraising, or any other email-based job, you know the struggles of writing effective cold outreach emails. They can be difficult to write, and it can be even harder to write them in a way that captures your lead's attention. That's where Open AI Chat GPT comes in. Don't forget to subscribe and press notification bell. What is Open AI? Open AI is a research institute that focuses on developing artificial intelligence in a way that is safe and beneficial for humanity. Their AI writing assistant, ChatGPT, uses a type of AI called natural language processing to generate text that sounds like it was written by a human. How does ChatGPT work? So what exactly will you get by using ChatGPT? According to OpenAI, ChatGPT interacts in a conversational way. The dialogue format makes it possible for ChatGPT to answer follow-up questions, admit its mistakes, challenge incorrect premises, and reject inappropriate requests. With a simple prompt, ChatGPT will generate writing suggestions, complete sentences, and even entire emails for you. And it doesn't stop there. ChatGPT can even come up with a subject line for your email and suggest calls to action. What are the benefits and limitations of ChatGPT? There are many benefits of using ChatGPT to write your cold emails. For starters, it can save you a ton of time. Instead of spending hours crafting the perfect email, you can let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting for you. Since ChatGPT is trained on a vast amount of text written by humans, it can come up with the creative and engaging emails that you might not have thought of on your own. Of course, there are some limitations and risks to using ChatGPT. It's important to remember that while ChatGPT can generate text that sounds human, it's still just a machine. That means it's up to you, the human, to review the emails it generates and make sure they make sense and are appropriate for your audience. It's also important to remember that ChatGPT is only as good as the prompts you give it. So be specific and clear when providing input. Now that you know the basics of ChatGPT, let's go over how to use it to write the perfect cold email. Write a prompt. Start by prompting ChatGPT to write a cold outbound email to a prospective customer. Describe the type of product you're selling and who your ideal customers might be. For example, you could say something like, I'm selling a new type of CRM software and my ideal customers are small business owners. Find similar customer personas. Ask GPT to generate other similar customer personas and industries. This will help you come up with a diverse range of potential customers to target with your cold email outreach. Add placeholders for personalization. Tell ChatGPT to include placeholders where the email can be customized per recipient. This will allow you to easily personalize your emails for each individual recipient. Add CTAs. Ask GPT to add any calls to action, such as inviting the recipient to schedule a call or demo using a tool like Calendly. Hone in on your voice and tone. Specify the tone you want the email to have. Do you want it to be informal and friendly or more sales-oriented? ChatGPT can generate text in a variety of tones, so make sure to let it know what you are looking for. Optimize your email for conversion. Tell ChatGPT that you want to optimize the email for conversion. This will help it come up with a language that is designed to persuade the recipient to take the desired action. Generate a great subject line for your email. Ask GPT to generate a subject line for your email. This is an important step, as a good subject line can make the difference between your email being opened or ignored. Make your email shorter or longer. Ask GPT to lengthen or shorten the email based on your preferences. If you want a longer email with more details and persuasive language, ChatGPT can accommodate that. On the other hand, if you prefer a shorter, more conscious email, ChatGPT can generate that as well. Create variations for different customer segments. Finally, ask GPT to generate alternative emails for the different target customers it identified. This will give you a range of options to choose from, so you can pick the one that feels most appropriate for each individual recipient. Try OpenAI's ChatGPT writing assistant to scale your cold email outreach. Using ChatGPT to write your cold emails is a great way to save time and improve the effectiveness of your outreach. By providing specific and clear prompts, you can let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting and focus on the parts of the email that only a human can do well, like personalizing it for each recipient and making final edits. So why not give ChatGPT a try? You might be surprised by how well it can help you write the perfect cold email. And with AnyBiz cold email outreach system, you can easily customize and send your emails to multiple recipients in just a few clicks. Happy emailing!